What's up, everybody? We're here in Lawrenceville, over here to complete a vandalism job for a client that called. Obviously, something went down. I don't know, but check this out. How you doing, guy? Still wet.
Under the car.
Yeah, that might be that might not be a bad thing. Oh, he probably tried to wet it, clean it himself. Wow. Yep. Let's see what we get.
I really need to ask.
Right now we're applying a product called Graf-EX. It's supposed to be pretty good. We shall soon find out. I tell you, man, be mindful what you're doing out there in them streets. They can Google you and they'll find you. Be easy out there. Yeah, we got you, brother. All right, y'all, we actually did a little test spot right here. Yep, Graf-EX so far is a pretty good product. We'll let that dwell a little while longer and go ahead and tackle that also. Watch yourself out. Yep. All right, what's up, y'all? So it turns out the Graf-EX, pretty good product. We put it on, it took us about an hour to do this job. And I found that it may take a couple of applications, but the product does what it's supposed to do. I chose to use a fan pressure, very moderate pressure, no turbo nozzle or something like that. Because you want to maintain the integrity of the concrete. You know, the instructions actually calls for very moderate pressure, nothing that will scar the surface. And it worked out pretty good. The results are good. I mean, hey, what can you say? You want it done right, high pro. So you can check this out. Yep, come on. All right. Come on. So nothing a little paint won't hurt. All right, considering what it was like, you know, a little paint job on the door won't hurt, will it? Could be worse, man. So what's your immediate reaction to the outcome of this driveway cleaning?
Man, I'm pretty satisfied with it, man.
I appreciate you, man.
It was looking terrible before.
Indeed. Come over here. Let's check out your car. You know I told you I would take care of your car for you. Let's check it out. I don't know who would do something that cruel, man, but and I believe that was acid there, as you can see. So was it something on it? Was a piece of plastic or something on it I saw in the picture?
Yeah, it was like a black plastic.
On top of the acid?
Yeah.
So
people, we didn't lift it up. We should have when the officer was there. I thought he lifted it up, but he didn't.
Yeah, so basically what people are doing, they'll put acid and then they'll put something over top of it to keep it working. It won't dry out. And it penetrates through the paint and stuff. You know what I mean? It's crazy. But could be worse, guy. You can see it's not on. Yeah, it didn't go through. Because, yeah, that's your coat there. But I would recommend getting you like a primer or something for car and just spray it until you're ready to get it fixed. Because you don't want that to start rusting out. Then you're going to have another problem. But just kind of get rid of the flakes a little bit and then spray you some car paint primer on there, and it'll prevent it from rusting. All right, and that'll get you by. But it came out all over, man, on both sides. Yep.
That's a little rough.
Yeah, it probably done penetrated or something there. Yeah. Yep. Indeed. But turned out good, guy.
Oh yeah.
Yep. We appreciate it again, guy.